At dahil nga Monday ngayon at walang pasok na sila EL, first day nang walang pasok sila, start na yung ano nila, spring break. So, ayun, pati sila daddy, ano pa rin sila, work from home pa rin hanggang next week. So, dito lang kami sa bahay. Ganito lang yung ginagawa namin dito sa loob ng bahay. And ito, gagawa ko ng snack si daddy. Brown bread at saka cucumber at apple. Tapos, gawa tayo ng black coffee. Ito na, ibigay na natin kay Bossing. Ay, tulog. Nasaan na yun? Wala siya. Sleeping. Ayan na, Bossing. So, ayan. Ganito lang kami dito sa loob ng bahay. Habang may mga kaganapan sa labas. Tapos sila iil naman ito, cucumber. Ito yung pinapaste na ko sa kanila kapag hapon. Kinakain naman nila. So, yun. Badatan muna natin yung cucumber. Para mas malinis. Pero hinugasan ko na ito syempre. At ito na nga yung snack nail tsaka ni Dior. Okay guys, where are you guys? This is your snack for today.
I'm going to pick one.
This is for you, Dior, ate. Ay, this is for you, Dior. Eat na, eat na. Cucumber and the apple for you. For Dior, di kasi siya kumakain ng apple, kaya cucumber lang sa kanya. Kaya si baby. Oh, you eat na.
Should we look in the balcony? Did I see them? What's that
Can I
noise?
see?
Where are they?
I don't see them here. I think they're coming around the corner.
What?
Gusto nila yan, cucumber.
They're right there.
Can you jump and open it, please? Alan, why did you bring us into this?
Bro, we haven't
Do,
even
tong
gotten
isa,
started.
nakishare na rin sa daddy
I
niya.
hope mommy doesn't get upset.
Guys, listen, I actually have a plan. Bro, when they come right here, we just throw water balloons at them. That's my plan.
Crazy.
What do you guys think?
That's so mean, but also it's kind of fun.
Let's go. I'm so down. Guys, look at these.
Look.
Bro, someone's about to get real mad.
You got this.
Oh, eat na.
Five fall.
My flexible, athletic husband. Careful with the door.
Hey, we have some.
Tapos ako naman, magluluto na ako para sa dinner namin. Start na. Ito yung lulutuin ko. Gagawin ko siyang sarsyado. Yan. Gasan muna natin. Tapos iprituhin ko siya maya-maya. So, ito na yung isda natin. Lagyan natin ng asin. Bago ko prituhin. Tapos, magkape muna tayo habang nag-aantay tayo ng prinito kong isda. Kasi nga, alam niyo ba, bukas is fasting kasi kami. Kaya, ang start ng fasting namin is 7 p.m. Kaya medyo maaga yung luto ko ngayon. At kailangan alas 6 na kakain na kami for our dinner. Ito na yung kape natin. Kape muna tayo. Time check. Ano na siya? 4:25 ng hapon. Naantay ko nilang matapos yung prinito kong isda. What are you doing now? Painting na naman sila.
I wasn't stubborn for the whole round. And for the school, she said exactly what I said. Because I was like, you can have it in the next round. I don't care, but that's what her age said, and that's exactly what
So, ito na. At isa-sarsyado na natin itong isda. Grabe, ang bilis ng oras. Alas 5 na. Kailangan ko na magluto. Kasi nga, kailangan nila 6 yung kain namin. At dahil nga magpo-fasting na kami. Yan na yung sarsyadong isda natin. Ayan na siya. Lapit nang maluto to. Kunti na lang. Eto na, kakain na kami. Yan. Naka-brown rice nga rin pala kami kasi nga diet. Alam nyo na. Kain tayo. Time check. Saktong alas 6. So, hanggang dito na lang. And thank you for watching. Bye.